Mastering failover mechanisms. KPIs are ignored, leaving operational excellence to chance. Where are the key performance indicators, KPIs, used to measure the effectiveness of its failover mechanisms, and how do they enable our organization to achieve operational excellence? In the context of failover mechanisms, achieving operational excellence is crucial to ensure high availability, minimize downtime, and reduce the risk of losses. To achieve this, it is essential to establish key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure the effectiveness of failover mechanisms. These KPIs serve as critical metrics to assess the performance of the failover mechanisms, identify areas for improvement, and optimize the systems for optimal performance. Uptime and downtime metrics. One of the primary KPIs for failover mechanisms is uptime and downtime metrics. This includes the percentage of time the system or service is available and accessible to users. This metric is crucial in measuring the effectiveness of failover mechanisms, as it directly indicates the system's ability to minimize downtime and ensure high availability. Mean time to recover, MTTR, and mean time between failures, MTBF. Mean time to recover, MTTR, and mean time between failures, MTBF, are essential KPIs that measure the efficiency of failover mechanisms. MTTR measures the average time taken to recover from a failure, while MTBF measures the average time between failures. These metrics help identify the reliability of the system and the efficiency of the failover mechanisms. Switching time. Switching time is a critical KPI that measures the time taken for the failover mechanism to switch from the primary system to the backup system in the event of a failure. This metric is vital in ensuring that the failover mechanism can quickly recover from a failure and minimize downtime. Error rate and failure rate. Error rate and failure rate are KPIs that measure the number of errors or failures that occur within a specified time frame. These metrics help identify areas where the failover mechanisms need improvement and enable organizations to optimize their systems for optimal performance. Latency and throughput. Latency and throughput are critical KPIs that measure the performance of the system during failover. Latency measures the time taken for data to be transmitted between the primary and backup systems, while throughput measures the amount of data transferred during a failover event. These metrics are essential in ensuring that the failover mechanism can handle the required workload and minimize performance degradation. Root cause analysis, RCA, and problem management. Root cause analysis, RCA, and problem management are essential components of failover mechanisms. RCA helps identify the underlying causes of failures, while problem management enables organizations to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. These metrics help organizations to identify areas for improvement and optimize their failover mechanisms for optimal performance. Continuous monitoring and testing. Continuous monitoring and testing are essential KPIs that ensure the failover mechanisms are functioning correctly. This involves regular testing of the failover mechanisms to identify potential issues and optimize the system for optimal performance. In conclusion, establishing key performance indicators for failover mechanisms is crucial to achieving operational excellence. These KPIs provide insights into the performance of the failover mechanisms, enabling organizations to identify areas for improvement, optimize their systems, and minimize downtime. By monitoring and analyzing these KPIs, organizations can ensure high availability, reduce the risk of losses, and achieve operational excellence.